you have to save only one video from all of your channels, which one would it be? Oh, that's a good question. That's a good question. Do you guys have an answer to that? For on my channel, if I could only save one video. You know, the first thing I was thinking about is the elephant video, the poem on the heartless elephant, or Miles Ahead. But to be honest, 24-hour study with me. 24-hour study with me. No, I wouldn't save. Like, obviously, I really like this video as well, and this time the Paris vlog. I'm not sure. The 24-hour study with me was cool. The Paris vlog. That's so hard. Or maybe a vlog. Yeah, you know this one 24-hour video where I was also hanging out with a burger friend and all. I really like this Elefante vid. A 48-hour vlog. I would like that you save your graduation vid. True, where I did the graduation thingy. But the vlogs, Miles Ahead, around the poems, yeah, the 24-hour thing, Elefante 24 hours in my life was good. Hey, the 24-hour vlog I really liked, but I also liked, to be honest, this graduation vid was also, like the live stream that we did there on this day, but I would, also not the Elefante thing. I think it would be actually, okay, my final answer is the first video on Pascal's world, on Zoels actually. The first video on there, which I called Stuck in a Dream. For some reason, I'm crazy emotional when it comes to that one. Combine all videos into one video and save the video logic. True. I love the Berlin video more. Yeah, I think it's really because of personal experience and all, you know. In this time when I was there in Valencia, I was really questioning everything. So therefore, and then I was cutting this even in a hostel there, and I was like, damn, this actually getting my mood in the right situation, you know. The vlog of shopping and Tiram with Heidi is special to me. Oh yeah, that was like a underrated vlog, I think, from me, or from my perspective, you know. If your life was a book, what would be the title of the book be? You know, told you that I'm writing on this one. By the way, today I barely did French. I only read the book the whole time. That the reason, like when some people are asking in the chat, what is he reading or what is he doing on his laptop all the time? I'm just reading my own stuff and correcting and reordering and all the stuff at the moment. And actually this book has the name, yeah, to your answer, but I want to finish it now first. Read with me one as well. Oh, true. The last read with me would be maybe a video that I wouldn't want to lose. Okay. Choose your most beloved video and keep it in your pocket. Yeah, the read with me is actually one of the most beloved, I would say, for me.